This 2027 Grand Design Influence 3804DS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 42 feet 6 inches in length and features a Haven interior, sleeps 6, water heater, smoke detector, TV, microwave, oven, refrigerator, awning, and 83 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features loft, 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths. The unloaded weight of this 2027 Grand Design Influence 3804DS is 15,404 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.